Twin Oaks Realty. Bringing another commercial poultry farm to market for you. Wanted to get you some details. This particular farm features 5 poultry barns, all 40 by 400s, steel truss construction, for a total of 80,000 square feet of production space. Approximately 25 acres to be determined by a survey. Chore time feed lines, chore time water lines, and Choretronics controllers. Direct spark brooder heaters. It's all set up for tunnel fans and tunnel ventilation. Has incinerators as a method of dead disposal. 125 kW generator. Your water source is well with rural water backup. A 40 by 80 stacking shed. It's a natural gas farm for your heating source. Gentry School District. The farm also has all new 5K daylight LED light bulbs. There's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, recently remodeled home on the property. Comes with it as well. Anything else I can do? Any questions I can answer? Anything you want to know about this or any of the other poultry farms we have available? Please feel free to holler at me. Thanks.